We'll guide you through how to fix the camera not working in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is an annoying problem because perhaps you're trying to go and use it for something like showing your face to go and verify your age. That's very common now. Or perhaps trying to do something else, just like a video conference call or record your face while doing something. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how you can try fixing this to go and get it working again. There are different things you can try doing, so make sure it is full guide, otherwise you may go and miss the method that solves the problem for you. First of all, we're going to go and check the permissions in a web browser. So I use Google Chrome, you may use a different one and it may be similar or slightly different. But what you need to do in Chrome is you need to make sure it allows websites to access the camera, otherwise it's not going to work. So in the top right of Chrome, you can press those three dots, come down and you can go and press settings. You can then go over to the left and you want to go and find the option for privacy and security. Scroll down and find site settings at the bottom and you can come into permissions and go and find camera. And then what you can do is you can go and select sites can ask you to use your camera. Make sure there are no sites that you want to use a camera on in the not allowed list. If there are, you can go and remove them by pressing three dots to the right and removing it. See if that solves it if you're trying to go and use it in a browser like Chrome. Now, if it still doesn't, we want to go and press the Windows Start button at the bottom and find the option for settings and click there. Wait for this to load. Go over to the left and you need to go and find the option for privacy and security. So scroll down to go and find it. Now what you want to do here is go and scroll down and find the option for camera and app permissions. At the top, you need to go and have camera access switched on. That's really important. And also switch on let apps access your camera, and you can go and switch it on for individual apps here as well, which is really key. So make sure it's switched on there. Go and see if that solves the problem. Hopefully it goes and does. But if it doesn't, at the bottom, you can click search and you want to go and type in device manager. And then you can go and click on it. In here, you need to go down and find the option for cameras and press the arrow to the left to expand it and go and find your camera. Right click on it and go and press update driver. Press browse my computer for drivers and press let me pick from a list. Select integrated camera and press next. Wait for it to install. Go and test it. Hopefully now it's working. Now, if it still isn't, it's not working, what you need to do is come and right click on the camera, find the option for uninstall device. You can leave that unselected and press uninstall. That's now gone. And then what we need to do is go and press the Windows Start button at the bottom. You can go over to the right and find the power button and click there. And you can then go and press restart. Upon restarting, it'll go and reinstall, and then hopefully it's going to go and be working. That's it. Hope to help this video, you managed to go and solve it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.